Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. This time we are going to make sesame and salt onigiri. It's called Goma-Shio Onigiri in Japanese, and same as salted onigiri, shio onigiri. It's very easy to make, especially if you have a pre-made Goma-Shio. It's a seasoning mixed with the black sesame and salt. If you're interested, please check. In this video, I also introduce how to arrange 3 different types of Goma-Shio Onigiri. And as always, my family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as my helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking tips and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, so Goma-Shio Onigiri, black sesame and salt onigiri rice ball is ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. So this is the onigiri wrapped with nori seaweed. Itadakimasu. Simple and delicious. I like the balance of sesame and salt flavors. ごちそうさまでした。Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: using plastic wraps makes it easy to fold and make triangle shape, and it's also more hygienic. Tip: if the seaweed is damp, try quickly roasting the nori seaweed over a gas stove flame, and your nori seaweed becomes crispy. And tip: if you can't find the pre-made black sesame and salt seasoning, no worries. You can just sprinkle the black sesame and salt. So how was this black sesame and salt onigiri recipe? You may have been surprised at how easy it was and delicious. Please recreate this recipe and tell me how you liked it. And if you watch my video for the first time, thank you for coming! I introduce easy, simple, and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby meals, toddler food, and pregnancy meals, and also desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. And dear my subscribers, thank you for always supporting, subscribing, and watching my videos. And if you want to know more about Japanese food and culture and family lifestyle, please join my mailing list. To sign up, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. When you access the website, the pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. That's it. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Oh, again. So thank you for watching everyone. Have a great day, great weekend, and a wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye.